Hey guys, welcome to today's German learning video. This is Markus and today we are covering another topic from the basics of German before we go into more depth with grammar and vocabulary and all. Today we are covering the numbers. So in German, numbers or number is die Zahl, and the plural is die Zahlen, die Zahlen. So today we are talking about die Zahlen, okay? Today we are just covering the numbers up to 20. So 0 is null. Null. Very important also if you want to understand phone numbers. 1 is 1. 2. It's very important you really make the tz audible in that. 2. 3 is 3. 4 is the number 4. 5 is 5. 6 is the number 6. And there's nothing indecent about that, okay? 7 is the number 7. 8 is the number 8. 9 is number 9. 10 is 10. Again, be sure to make the tz audible. Then we have 11, that's 11. 12, the Z is important here, tz, 12. 13 is 13. So now we just go like that. 13. So 3, 10 is like 13. Then 4, 10. 5, 10. Not 5, 10, right? 16, 17, 18, 19 und 20. 20 is 20. Again, is important. So that's the basic number. I'm going to just do a quick run of them again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay? Just you can repeatedly watch this video and try to get used to the sound and just, get it into your adat, get used to it. We are also making a practice video where I'm going to basically dictate phone numbers, like somebody might also do it to you when you are calling somebody and they are telling you a phone number, so that you can also rehearse and practice understanding these numbers when they come in a quick succession. We will link you that video, and if you like the video, subscribe, hit the bell button, write us a comment for any wishes that you might have for more content. We are always happy to provide you what you are actually interested in seeing, and I'm going to see you next time. Bye.